So that's the hardware setup. Now let's talk about the software side. DataHub is still a beta product, so we'll need to access it by going to a separate URL, datahub.onupkeep.com. And once we're there, I'm going to go ahead and enter my upkeep credentials. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is create a source. A source tells DataHub where our data is coming from. In order to save a source, all we need to do is specify a unique identifier for our particular source, a friendly name, which in this case I've specified as shop floor PLC, and the type of data we should expect from the source, which in this case is temperature and humidity from that PLC that we just hooked up. Going to go ahead and save that. Now, note that I've created the source beforehand, but I'm going to go ahead and save at any rate. And I've also set up a sync. A sync is how we tell DataHub to get our information from the source to a destination. So syncs include a name, the source, as I mentioned, and the destination, which in this case is upkeep meters. That's the only destination that we have available at the moment. In order to finalize my sync, I need to map each source property, which in this case is temperature and humidity, to meters within upkeep. And I've gone ahead and created a couple meters beforehand, a humidity meter and a temperature meter. And you can see that I've mapped the temperature property to the temperature meter and the humidity property to the humidity meter. Now I have access to all of my meters from upkeep within DataHub. I just need to start typing and those meters will show up. But for here, I'm good with the temperature meter as well as the humidity meter. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. Now, again, I created this sync beforehand, so it's already set up and it's already pulling data, which I'm going to show you now. So if I click in here on this PLC temperature meter and I go into the history, I can see that I have a number of readings coming through, and these readings are populating automatically via DataHub. So no need for a technician to come in and manually update the readings, or no need for a technician to go out and look at a display and record the readings that way. Everything flows from PLC all the way to upkeep automatically. And it's the same with the humidity meter. Again, I've configured these beforehand so that we have a number of readings to populate for this particular demo. So that concludes the demo of DataHub. Thanks for watching. A lot more to come.